Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorial. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your follower count on Instagram. Knowing your exact number of followers can help you track your growth, monitor your engagement, and better understand how your account is performing over time. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you are on your profile page, you will see your follower count displayed near the top of the screen along with the number of posts and accounts you are following. This shows how many people are currently following your account. However, if your account has more than 10,000 followers, Instagram may round the number and not show the exact follower count directly on your profile. If you want to see the exact number, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of your profile. From the menu, scroll down until you find the section related to how others interact with you, and then select the comment settings. Next, tap on Posts and Reels. Inside this section, Instagram will display the exact number of followers connected to your account. This method works whether you are using a personal account or a professional account on Instagram. And that's it! Now you know how to check your exact follower count on Instagram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!